Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at the 2021 Forest River Cherokee 274RK. On the front of the unit, it does have a nice large storage space. You've got a lighted and power awning. As you can see, it's got the blue LEDs underneath. It does have outdoor speakers, cable and satellite hookups, TV mount, and outlets. And over here you do have an outdoor kitchen. So it does include the gray stone stovetop, and it also, well, gray stone grill, and it also has a griddle that is in the front compartment that goes on top of this. You also get a Contour cube refrigerator and a Contour ice maker, and then it has a spray port right there. Let's go ahead and get a look inside. We're gonna start off, I guess, right here in the bathroom. As you can see, it does have a large corner shower with the skylight overhead, which offers a little more headroom. Of course, you get a toilet. Over here, you have a corner vanity and medicine cabinet. Over here, you get some storage, great place for towels. It's about, up to my elbow as far as how deep it is. And you do get the lower one as well. Back here is your bedroom. So as you can see, you get the side open cabinets, which make it easier to load and unload them. And then here you get a mirrored closet, one on each side of the bed. It is fairly deep. You get outlets and USB ports on each side of the bed as well, which is great if you have medical equipment you need at night or you need to charge your phone. You're able to do that right here at the bed. And then there's also storage underneath the bed that is accessible from the exterior storage compartment door. And there's also a nice little nightstand, and the bed is a full walk-around bed. Coming back into the main living space, you get the Michelle K recliner set. I haven't unwrapped them yet, but it does have the leather-like material. They are incredibly comfortable. Up above that, you do get storage. Back here is your kitchen. So as you can see, it's got a few drawers. They're fairly deep. Over here is your large single basin apron front sink, the farmhouse style, and it is pretty deep, as well as fairly large. Also, it does have a cover, which does offer a little more counter space. You also get a soap dispenser and a pull-down sprayer. Over here, you've got the gray stone 3-burner stovetop and oven. Down here, you do get some storage. You've got some nice deep cabinets up here. Contour microwave. Another cabinet over here that it does extend to the back here, and so this does provide a lot of storage space here. You get some more counter space over here. Great place to store things that you don't use very frequently out of the way. Me personally, I can see a nice little coffee pot outlets there, so I'm going to set my coffee pot right here, close to the sink, but far enough that it is out of the way when I don't need it. You also get another cabinet down here. This is also fairly deep. You do get a Canon 12-volt refrigerator and freezer, so this will keep your food cold as you're driving down the road, and it will charge off of your truck. However, this unit also has solar power, so it does keep the battery charged. As long as you have the battery disconnect off, which is down below the refrigerator, it will charge your battery and keep it charged, and you should be able to run your slide out, turn on your lights, etc. when you walk into the unit to prep it for camping. Over here is a nice large pantry. As you can see, it is nice and deep. I mean, it's nearly my full arm length, and it's just a good size pantry right there. This unit does have one slide. On the slide, you do have the booth. With the booth, many people with the older units, you had to lift up your cushions to access the storage space underneath. The newer units do have the ultra deep drawers that extend to the back of the dinette, which means you're not having to, lift that seat up or, send one of the kids under there to grab what's all the way in the back. This also does fold down into a bed, so you just put the table in the lip here and use the back cushions right there. Over here, you do have a jackknife style sofa. So you just pull your armrest out, grab the bottom of it, and it does flip out into a bed. Over here, you do have your entertainment space. So as you can see, it does have a TV mount. What's great about this TV mount is it is universal. So what I mean by universal, doesn't mean it's specifically universal for every TV. However, if you find a TV that does, this will mount to. You can mount it in here on the wall, or you can leave the mount on the back of the TV, take it outside, and it'll slide directly into the bracket on the outside of the unit because it is this exact same bracket. You got your cable hookups there. It is prepped for Wi-Fi, and then you've also got an outlet up there. Here's your radio. Your storage cabinet does have the blue LEDs behind it, and then you also get a nice fireplace, which keeps this main living space nice and toasty, on those cool fall nights, and you don't have to turn your propane on. You just have to be plugged into shore power. If you'd like to see this unit in person or any of the other great units we have available here at Tri-State RV, come out and see us in Anna, Illinois, or visit us online at www.tristaterv.com, where you can actually see more photos of this unit, along with the other units we have available.